Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the Han River. Just tried to get a haircut, it's not possible. I'm gonna take this barbershop out of my list because my barber also quit his job, so yeah. I need to find a new barber. And they are very, I think no one works there anymore, no? Just in 1.5 weeks, everything changed. Very sad, so I will not go back there. Need to find a new barber. It's a very sad day, but it is what it is. This here is a very nice coffee shop, actually, and co-working station. They even have workstation written on it. I'm gonna get a coffee, and then I'm gonna, what is this? Hold on, whoa. Pork belly banh mi, my friend, where are you? Tell me where you are. Tell me where you are. I wanna eat you. Okay. Hello. Okay, I will come back. See you later. I will see you later. I will try out every pork belly banh mi here in town. He already knew me. Oh man, it's okay. I absolutely love it. Whenever you see these words, HEOQUAY, that's where the good stuff is. Right, let's check out this coffee shop here. They have a little coffee here. All right. Okay, that looks pretty nice, yeah? Ooh, and cool. Hello. All right, let's continue. I had my coffee, but what is this here? Oh, Mi Kwang. Interesting. All right, we're gonna go now and check out this street here, Mi An 17. I've never been here. I never walked this street here, so we will find out how it looks. Nice Mercedes-Benz here. I also, shout out to my Australian friends who brought me this here, North Melbourne. They don't want to see me wearing only the pies. Maybe I should wear both together. That would be funny. Xan SM here. That looks pretty residential here. Home security. Okay. That looks very calm here. Wow. Not sure what this means. Is this a nice area to live in? It's a question. Oh, here's a lot of dogs over there. What is going on? How is the footpath? Huh. Bushy and nice. Nice. Okay. Let's explore this area here. Huh. Not much going on. So also these streets here are called all Mi An. So this is the Mi An area or what? Mi An 16 and 17. But yeah, I don't see anything going on in here. There's a big, there's a football court over there. Huh. Maybe this is a little sport area or a school, I'm not sure. I also see some basketball hoops. A Volkswagen, all right. So I'm not sure for what this is. Football court, basketball, more residential areas here. I see some food stands. The beautiful thing about Vietnam is you always know what they're selling because they write it on a big sign outside the place. And with my limited but very knowledgeable food Vietnamese, I kind of know what they're selling. And if I see some specific words I like, I might just go in and try it out. Okay, what is this? An Duong Phuong? Duong Phuong. All right, now we are at this pretty street here again. Maybe this is really a school. Look at this, how empty the streets here are. Very pretty. It's very nice here. Nice grass. taken care of it. But there are some pieces that are not that good. This here is nice. Huh. Look at this. This is just like this area between the river and then the Antung area. Very interesting. Looks like a residential area here. The electric cables over here. What is this here? I think I can walk there? Huh. Not sure. I'm gonna walk in now to the Mi-an 24. This looks like an abandoned building. What is this? They can get crepes. Crepes Suzette! Woo woo! Okay, let's check out the Mi-an 24 area. So this is the Mi-an Walk. The Mi-an Neighborhood Walk. So calm and quiet here. Wow. This looks like a residential building here. Apartment building maybe. It's easy to park here. Motorbikes, all neat. I've never been here before. This is the corner to Mi-an 23. Also very calm. A Viettel store. But I don't think this is Viettel. Hello! friendly locals saying always hello. Because they probably don't see morons like me walking around with a camera here somewhere. But look at this. That looks nice here. What is this? Is it a pagoda? Oh yeah. So we are Mi-an 24 and Hoi Tan. Oh, that looks pretty here. Is this a... Oh. And this here. Badak Seal. What is that? Interesting. That looks pretty here. Not sure what it is for. Huh. Are we gonna walk over there now? But also the building, some apartment buildings over there. It's gonna be done soon, pretty much. Huh. Oh, lots of food places here. Lots of eggs. What are they selling? Just eggs? Fruit, vegetables? Banseao. Ooh, interesting. I feel like all those places are the good places. The good places where the locals eat. They're most likely not on Google. There's basically home-cooked meals here everywhere. Very nice. But you have a little billiards place here. I'm not sure if it's open or if it's a discount or... Huh. A barber. I really need to find a barber now. I'm a little bit... I look like a Bavarian. Okay, now we're getting into some streets I know again. All right, coffee shops. Those are my favorite type of coffee shops. Just like this. Strong coffee. What a, ooh la la. Ban Kun, nice. Okay, I like that. Now it's loud again. So those major streets, they are busier now than just one side away. Some few streets away. What is this? A French car. My God. And there's this Star Gym. There's a gym here, an outdoor gym. I mean, it's not really outdoor, but it's just a roof on top. Poser tea. Okay. Ban Kan Rong. Oh, I think sometimes I order from here. I absolutely love Ban Kan. Ban Kan is my love. Sometimes, some weeks of the year, I eat it every day. I absolutely love Ban Kan. And the nice little quail eggs inside. And then the fish cake. I don't like the fishy, not the real fish, I just like the fish cake. Beautiful. Little convenience store here. The footpath is not really walkable here. Let's cross. All right, guys. We made it to the main street now. Huh. It's an FPT Farmer. Okay, big brand pharmacy. And you know what's over there? The Bach Mian Market. Huh. What's going on here? Ooh, more porridge. Look at this big animal getting on a roast. All right. I wanna go to a Winfast store. I really wanna sit in this VF3 one time. And look at this. This is a gym here. I think it's 15 minutes from the Antung area. It's Wonder Gym. Maybe that's something for you. Big trucks here. Be careful, those trucks are very loud when they honk. They have a real loud honk. And sometimes even more sounds. But yeah, those are, yeah. And here you get some tiles. All right, you need some tiles for your home? Hello, xin chào. All right, okay. Oh, there's another one. Am I stupid now? Did I just not walk by this place now? No, it's just another one. Wow, okay. What animal is that? I don't even know. Maybe lamb? Huh. Beef hot pot. Nice. And another animal there. I don't know. What animal? This is a beef. This is a cow? A baby cow? I don't know. Huh. Interesting. We're gonna take our way now. Explore this area here. Going back most likely to the Doba Street. Oh, there's a Winfast store. Winfast. But I think there's only motorbikes. Or electric motorbikes. But yeah. The electric motorbikes. Oh, there's a pink one. That looks good. But it's very small. Oh, look at this. I never saw this before. Motio. Huh, cool. Hello, xin chào. Do you have an electric bicycle? Winfast bicycle? All right, guys. I actually asked for this electric bicycle. I'm gonna make a screenshot and insert it here. It's just like a Super 73, but from Winfast. I really want to check it out, how big the bike is. Would love to drive that too. But yeah, I don't know why, but Vietnamese don't like Winfast. I never heard any Vietnamese, especially the uncles, telling you, yeah, it's a good idea to get a Winfast bike, you know? It's like, nah. They just see Winfast as a taxi company. Very interesting. I would rock the VF3. I would not even buy it to sell it or whatever. Just drive it. Look at this, Buncha Hanoi. But yeah, I can totally understand, because with the Winfast motorbikes, if you buy it, you have to run with it forever, because I don't think there's a resale value. or anyone will buy a Windfast used. And if you, it's cheap to buy and then rent the what is it called, the battery. But without the battery, with the battery it's too expensive. Oh, look at this, that's the bus. That's the bus I'm looking for. My God, okay, interesting. Maybe this is the route to Hoi An with the bus. We tried out to go on a bus yesterday for a video. I couldn't do it. Okay, maybe I can get a haircut here. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.